Why does your body peel after a sunburn, and how long does it last? The answer reveals your skin's amazing healing process and what you can expect in the days after a burn. Sunburn causes damage to the top layers of your skin by ultraviolet (UV) rays breaking down skin cells. This damage triggers your body's defense mechanism. It starts to shed the dead, damaged cells in a process called peeling. Peeling is your skin's way of removing weakened cells and making room for new, healthy ones to grow. It's a visual sign your skin is healing itself, even though it looks unpleasant. Typically, peeling begins a few days after the initial sunburn, usually between day 3 and day 7. The duration depends on how severe the burn was. Mild burns might peel for just a few days, while more intense burns can cause peeling to last up to 10 days. During this time, new skin cells replace the damaged ones, gradually restoring your skin's normal appearance. It's important to care for peeling skin properly. Avoid picking or peeling the skin yourself because it can lead to infection or scarring. Instead, use gentle moisturizers to soothe dryness and keep your skin hydrated. Drinking plenty of water also helps your body heal from within. Sun protection is key to prevent further damage while your skin recovers. Peeling after a sunburn is your body's natural way of healing damaged skin by shedding dead cells. It usually starts within a week and lasts up to 10 days, depending on how bad the burn was. Taking care of peeling skin with moisture and patience helps your skin recover safely. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.